Rutherford County Schools closing every school in the system this Friday because there are so many students and staff members out sick, and parents are not happy about it. Good evening and welcome to News 2 at 5. I'm Haley Wilgus.
And I'm Bob Mueller. The rise in infections in both staff and students is angering parents who are now pleading for a mask mandate. Right now, there are nearly 900 new cases a day in children aged 0 to 10. That's according to the State Department of Health. As of yesterday, the latest data available, there were 73 kids and teenagers in the hospital sick with COVID. News 2's Erica Francis joins us live in studio with more on the blame game between schools and parents over masks in schools. And Erica, no one really winning this fight.
Not at all. So, Bob, I spoke to a parent in Rutherford County today who's leading a group of about 1,200 concerned parents who are pleading for a district-wide mask mandate. While everybody at the district's central office is being asked to wear a mask when unable to socially distance, the topic of masks has yet to be placed on the school board's agenda, and parents are ticked off. RCS can't catch a break with more than 1,300 students testing positive for COVID-19 just last week.
In my own son's school, it's about 1 in 16 children have an active COVID infection.
Leah Maitland admits educators' hands are tied.
We have been calling, we have been emailing, we have sustained campaigns where we're reaching out to our local school board members, and those, for the most part, specifically when it comes to masks, are falling on deaf ears.
Wednesday, a response from Rutherford County Schools Communications Director James Evans saying in part that the current mask policy permits parents to decide whether to send their children to school in masks. And as a school district, they're strongly encouraging parents do so.
We are having parent reports of peer pressure and bullying. Some of these kids who are wearing masks feel uncomfortable or feel pressured into not wearing them.
The district now utilizing the state's waiver process for remote learning, and so far this week they submitted 5 requests, with 3 approved, 1 pending, another denied. With Evans saying in part, the biggest factor the state considers in their waivers is staffing issues, and even though more than half of the students at one school were on some type of COVID quarantine, the waiver was denied.
As if they're concerned about learning loss, they should be really concerned about learning interruptions. These kids are not getting consistent education right now.
According to Rutherford County Schools, more than 9,800 students missed school at least one day during the 5-day school week last week related to COVID-19.
Last year, our district had a lot of options in their toolkit to help families learn and to stay safe. And they deserve to have every one of those options right now when the situation is dire.
Rutherford County School Board has the sole authority to make any changes to the current mask policy. As of this morning, they have not added any agenda items concerning the mask policy. Coming up on News 2 at 6, we talk about Rutherford County staff in